2020 to 2024 Toyota Highlander USB-C charger port replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm at Toyota Highlander here. Now, if you have this set up right here, I'm going to show you how to replace these USB-C ports right here. What you want is a plastic pry bar interior tool like this. I'll link one below that comes with like multiple ones. The first one is what I would use, but you could use whatever you want. The plastic won't scratch your dash or your interior. So what you want to do is get this and go in between the USB port in the dash and kind of get this to pop out just a little bit. You're going to push this in here. The sides will kind of pop out a little bit, but the release tabs are on the top and bottom. But what you want to do is just kind of work around and then just try to pop it out a little bit. And then if you can get it from the top, that'll be good, but it'll eventually pop out. And then you just pull it out right here. There's one small gray connector in the back. It's not much room to get back there and get it, but it has a center button. You just push that little center button with your fingers, and then you could pull this USB port module off of here. It's right here. And then on here, there should be a sticker if it's an OEM one. The Toyota part number is right here. So currently these aren't available on Amazon, but I will update the links periodically to have them on Amazon or aftermarket ones, whichever one comes first. Right now they're only sold at Toyota parts dealers, so I'll link that below. But once you get your new one, you unbox it, unwrap it, and then all you gotta do is plug it in. The connector only goes in one way, and make sure you don't lose the connector inside the dash. Make sure it doesn't fall back in. Just plug it in, and then those lights should light up blue and the power's on, and then just push this guy into place, and then that's it. Just be patient when you push it in. Make sure you don't damage anything, and all done. So that's it. Hopefully this video helped you out. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you gotta do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.